What is going on, guys? This is Elijah here for Gridiron International, and today I am back with another Carolina Panthers video. But it's not really about the Panthers. It is about Mike Davis signing with the Atlanta Falcons on a 2-year deal, and I believe with a almost $6 million guaranteed money, so he's getting paid. This actually was kind of a shock to me because I thought that Mike Davis potentially could return to the Carolina Panthers, which is my team, and I'm talking about a lot about the Carolina Panthers. And so this was a kind of a shock, but it happens. It's football, and I think we already have a younger core of running backs behind Christian McCaffrey, and hopefully McCaffrey can stay healthy this year. But I do not like the fact that we force-fed him the ball too many times, and therefore he got injured his first year, and then his second year, of course, he got injured from being force-fed again. So Mike Davis, his best year probably was with the Carolina Panthers, even though we went 5-11. So let's go ahead through his stats. He had 1,000 total scrimmage yards, so another piece to Joe Brady's offense, and yeah, he did really well for a backup to McCaffrey, who went down earlier in the year. And so yeah, he had 165 attempts, 642 yards, 6 touchdowns. Though he only averaged about 4 yards per carry, so that could be. But watching Mike Davis as a Carolina Panthers fan, he was really good. He was strong. He's built like just a power back, basically, who just powers his way through defenders, and he's honestly not that bad of a runner either. So the Falcons are going to get a good player out of him, and I think that I don't know how Reggie Bonnafant's going to do this upcoming season, so I kind of miss Mike Davis, but it is what it is. Football, they get paid to go play, and that's what happens. And so best of luck to Mike Davis. So I think the Falcons got a pretty good player out of Mike Davis, and I think he's going to do well with the Atlanta Falcons, even though I hate the Falcons because they're our rival. So yeah. All right, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. More Carolina Panthers news on the way. I'll probably do a double upload today. And yeah, I'll see how that goes. And see you guys later. Peace out.